Okay. This is another new technique. This is basic throwing. Position. This is the position of basic throwing. Okay. Like this. Okay. This is number one. Number one. 360 degrees. Okay, one step only. Again. Position. Sit. Very good. Number two, head throw. Same position. 3, 2, move. Head throw. This one. Okay, and then like this ate. Very good. Oh, hold properly. Again, go. Position, go. Sit. Okay. 1 and 2. Number 1, execute. Go. Sit. Up. Number 1. Neck throw. This is neck throw. Position. Sit. Very good. 2, head throw. Position. Sit. Up. Okay, go. Very good. Okay, again. Okay. Again, number 2. Execute. Go. Okay. Up. Always in stance. Okay, 3, arm throw. Very good. Okay. 4, hand throw. Hand throw. Up, block. Block first. Go block. This. Hold. Then side view. Okay, view. Right step. Again. Okay. Position. Execute. Go. Okay, very good. 5, chin step. Chopping the legs first. Chin step. Chin step. Okay. Very good. Again. One more. Speed. Go. Sit. Up. Again. Sit. Okay, very good. Good.